Hey guys, it's your girl Tita with Beauty and the Kinks. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a colorful look. It's finally, and I don't want to jinx myself, but it's finally warming up in Chicago. We're in like the 60s, the 50s, so it could still go back to 40s and 30s, but I'm hopeful that spring has finally sprung. So I decided to do like a colorful makeup look. It is this blue smoky eye. So if you're interested in finding out how I created this look, just stay tuned. Well, that's pretty much it for the makeup look, guys. If you enjoyed it, definitely give your girl a thumbs up. If you're not a part of my Beauty and the Kinks family, I don't know what you're waiting on. Show me some love, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of my Beauty and the Kinks family. You can also check out most of my journey, if not all of my journey, at beautyandthekinks.com. That is kind of where I have my vlogs, my blogs, a combination of a lot of things, including some deals and steals for y'all. So definitely check out beautyandthekinks.com, and do not forget to join the squad. So put in your email and your address so that I can update you, if not when I get deals on super cool stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, if you want to vibe with me on social media, I do have a Snapchat and I do have an Instagram. I'm a little slow on Twitter, but I'll leave my Instagram and Snap down below for you if you want to vibe with me. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you as always for all your love and support. Until next video. Bye, guys.